Hi guys, in front of me is DOOGEE S98 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open messages or like any other area where you can input some text. But let me choose just new message, and here you've got the current keyboard. To change it, click on settings, tap on languages and then pick add keyboard. As you can see here, you can find several languages, like actually a super long list of languages, so DOOGEE prepared it for you. So no matter where you're from, you will definitely find something suitable. And that's it, this is the end. Now just pick the language you want to apply. Let me pick Hebrew because the change would be clearly visible. Now you can remove the second language, or you can stay with both of them. Then you will be able to switch between languages by tapping on space, but I would like to remove it and have one language only. And as you can see, it has been applied. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.